Hi there, I'm Nick, and today we're going to talk about non-custodial wallets and how to use them if you want to store your crypto assets safely and securely. As you might have already guessed, this video will be a bit unusual. We'll be doing it together with our mascot, the dragon. And before we dive into today's topic, let's just talk a little bit about the latest news. Recently, we have conducted several very important special missions for our users. The idea behind these missions is that users perform actions and receive rewards for them. We have already distributed over $200,000 this way. And now when you visit the mission page, you can always see if there are any current assignments that allow you to earn real crypto. You can then hold this crypto or, for example, sell it and withdraw your assets.
Hey folks, ever wondered where to stash your crypto treasure? Today, we'll explore self-custodial wallets. What are they? How do you store your crypto assets safely? And why should you even care? Stick around, because we're unlocking the vault to crypto independence. So, what's a self-custodial wallet? Think of it as your personal treasure chest. Unlike custodial wallets, where a third party holds your private keys, a self-custodial wallet gives you complete control. It's like having your own bank vault, and only you have the combination. Why is this important? Picture this. With a custodial wallet, you're trusting someone else with your keys. If they get hacked or go out of business, you could lose everything. But with a self-custodial wallet, you're the only one who can access your funds.
The most common examples of custodial wallets are the popular crypto exchanges such as Binance, Bybit, or OKX. When you press the withdrawal button for your tokens at the exchange, you are basically asking the exchange for permission to send your own tokens. And the exchange can potentially block your withdrawal for any reason, causing you to lose control over your funds. One of the most talked about events in crypto in recent years is the closure of one of the largest and most trusted exchanges in the world, FTX. During this event, unfortunately, a huge number of users lost their money, their assets. And our team was also somewhat affected by the closure of this exchange due to a really unfortunate turn of events.
Now let's talk types. Hardware wallets, for example, Ledger and Trezor, are physical devices, like a USB stick, that store your private keys offline. Super secure, but you'd rather not lose it.
Let's discuss why we need hardware wallets, also known as cold wallets, when we actually already own the assets in software wallets. Hardware wallets are devices that do not have internet access at all, which indeed significantly reduces the risks of your device being hacked and private keys being stolen. It is generally believed that hardware wallets are often only needed to store large amounts. The observant ones might have noticed that there is already some object on the table, and it's a SafePal cold wallet. It doesn't look like a flash drive, it's more like an independent device, but it is definitely a cold wallet where you can safely store your crypto. And to interact with the wallet, you need a mobile app to sign transactions, and the wallet itself is protected by a password. Unlike SafePal, Theta can sign transactions via NFC, making the interaction a bit more convenient.
Software wallets are apps on your phone or computer, like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. It's convenient, but be careful with security. A strong password is a must.
As we discussed in previous videos, a hint will appear in the top right corner. HOT is a non-custodial MPC wallet that only you have access to using a seed phrase that you copied during registration. So we've just figured out what non-custodial means. MPC means that your private key for the wallet is distributed among several parties to enhance privacy and reduce the risk of hacking, leaks, and losses. Unlike traditional wallets that rely on a single private key, MPC wallets use advanced cryptographic methods to ensure that the private key is never revealed or stored in one place.
Lastly, paper wallets. Yes, actual paper. You print out your private keys and store them safely. Low-tech but effective. Just keep it away from fire and water. Setting up your self-custodial wallet is easier than you think. Let's break it down. Step 1. choose your wallet type and download the app or set up the hardware device. For software wallets, head to the official website or app store to avoid fakes. For hardware wallets, make sure you buy from a reputable source. Step 2. After creating a wallet, you get a seed phrase, usually 12 or 24 random words. This is your master key. Write it down on paper and store it somewhere safe. Don't share it with anyone. Remember, if you lose this seed phrase, you lose access to your wallet. Step 3. Transfer your crypto. Find your wallet's public address, a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this address and use it to send your crypto from an exchange or another wallet. Finally, secure your wallet. Enable two-factor authentication if available, and consider a strong password. Regularly update your wallet software to protect against vulnerabilities.
Let's take Hot Wallet as an example and see how you can easily set up your wallet. Step number 1. Simply follow the link in Telegram and make sure to check the verification badge to avoid scams. Step number 2. Click Create Wallet, and the first thing you should do is to save your seed phrase. We strongly advise against storing the seed phrase in notes or on the device itself. A paper wallet is the most reliable place. Hot Wallet has all the necessary features for working with crypto, including exchanges, bridges, and built-in applications. At the top, you can see your addresses on all available networks. To top up your wallet, you can confidently copy them and add funds from an exchange or another wallet. So, in this video, we clearly and thoroughly examined the difference between custodial and non-custodial solutions and discussed how to properly store crypto. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and to leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos about crypto and Hot Wallet. See you!
Now, go grab your self-custodial wallet. Stay tuned.